5 Surprising Natural Laundry Stain Removers. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Many households have made the decision to limit their family's exposure to harsh chemicals. Many cleaning products are not recommended for young children, and they are usually more expensive than natural options. Here are 5 natural products that will effectively help remove stains and odor from clothes and keep your laundry routine green. Number 1. Distilled white vinegar. Distilled white vinegar is a miracle worker in the laundry room. It is inexpensive, gentle on fabrics and safer to use than chlorine bleach and fabric softeners. Always choose white vinegar over apple cider or other types, because it will not stain fabrics, and it's cheaper. White vinegar is key to removing yellow underarm perspiration stains and odor, removing mildew stains, whitening and brightening your clothes. Just adding 1 cup of distilled white vinegar to the final rinse will leave clothes feeling soft and smelling fresh. You can even use vinegar to clean your washer and help control musty washer odors. Number 2. Baking soda. That same box of baking soda that you have in your kitchen cabinet is one of nature's best gifts to laundry and very inexpensive to use. It is a perfect green odor reducer to keep your laundry smelling fresh and is safe to use on all fabrics, including children's sleepwear. Baking soda also aids in boosting detergent performance, softening fabrics and reducing suds for quicker loads in front-load washers. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. And number 3. Lemon or lime juice. Fresh or bottled 100% real lemon or lime juice has a natural bleaching action on fabrics due to the acetic acid. If you spill some on colored clothing, you'll want to remove the juice before it causes permanent discoloration. However, you can use either type of juice on white fabrics to help remove yellow underarm stains or rust stains. Number 4. Hydrogen peroxide. Head to the medicine cabinet for the hydrogen peroxide as a good alternative to the much harsher chlorine bleach when you need to whiten clothes. Hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, is an oxidizing agent that can be used as a bleach. The 3% solution sold in drug stores as a first aid disinfectant is the best choice for the laundry as well. Hydrogen peroxide breaks down into water and oxygen and is a more environmentally safe alternative to chlorine bleach. Hydrogen peroxide works well in removing underarm yellowing and the dye from nail polish, curry, and red wine stains. And last to our list, number 5. Table salt. There are old wives' tales about using salt to set the dye and stop dye bleeding of fabrics. Unfortunately, salt won't work that way on today's fabrics and dyes. But plain, simple table salt works in the laundry as a mild abrasive element for stain removal of rust and red wine stains and to absorb liquid stains before they set. If you have a red wine spill, sprinkle it liberally with table salt. Use the cheapest salt you can find. Let it absorb the liquid and then brush away before you wash the item. Remember, if you don't wash it out, salt can leave white stains on your fabric. If you have stains or residue on the bottom of your iron, salt works well as a gentle abrasive. Simply dampen a handful of salt very slightly and scrub the face plate of the iron. When the iron is clean, wipe with a clean damp cloth. You're ready to iron. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out 3 impressive ways to clean your mirrors at home without streaks. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products.